flowers named moti flowers. So
Ira, these are moti flowers.
so you can just like take them off. They're gonna come again. They don't need a root to be grown. The clock tower, and it is also known as Gundagarh in Hindi. It is from the British time. Okay guys, so now we're at the body. So a body is a fresh water area in which the water comes straight from the mountain and it's really cold. It's really cold. Okay, so guys, now we're going to Panchvaktar. It translates to 5 shivling heads, and it also has a river named Beas. So we're gonna go downstairs too. Come on. Made by Pandavas when they went on Adyatwas, all belongs to that time. Come on. And downstairs, there are few stairs downstairs, they lead you to the river. Okay, so now we're going in the mandir. That is Victoria Bridge. It was also made in the British period and it is still standing. Like, look at the infrastructure of British, like it's amazing. Is Ikadra Shudra temple, and it was also made in the Pandav period. So it's still old, and look, these two temples are still standing, and there are about 89 temples made by Pandavas in the whole town Mandi. Now we're gonna go to the river. Yeah, that temple. Okay, I'm actually scared going down the stairs. Okay, this river Beas. We have to walk carefully because there's many stones ahead us and we're gonna go on the river edge. I'm sure I'm gonna fall. Yeah, I'm gonna fall with Ryan. We're going to that side. Like, it has a little more good water. Like, I like flowing water rather than like straight calm water. Ow! River is only 5 minutes away from my grandma's home, and I'm gonna pick up some stones because why not? The noise of the river that I'm hearing at present. Wait, can you hear it? When the water is acting so that we're going over there to show you the sound of the river that I'm hearing at present over there. Okay.